smidge too cold for him to try. Where are we going? You tell me. Where are we going? Crashes in the playpen. But Chip does not mind exploring. And luckily he comes towards me. Where are we going? Huh? Are you trying to pose and be extra handsome for the camera? Maybe. Look at me against the sand. It's already got sand booty. Where are we going? He is not panicking at all. I'm glad I suggested this. Where are we going, Chip? See, we're here. Crashes. Right there. Where are we going, Mr. Chip?
How cute. I didn't expect to see that today.
I didn't expect him to be so calm today. He's just like, all right, I guess this is what we're doing.
How cool is that?
Chip, say hi. You are shutting like crazy, buddy. Look at that. Where are we going? Are we gonna explore? No, he's gonna chill. Did you really just... Really? Are we chilling? You tell me. Where are we going? And believe it or not, guardians, I am actually crouching because there is a dog in the distance, and if that dog comes this way, I will pick up Chip. He's pancaking, you guys. Did you just pancake or give up? Yeah, where are we going? Oh, you tell me. Where are we going? Yeah, hi, honey. Oh, thank you for rubbing your suitcases on my foot. Where are we going? Where are we going? Do you like the sound of the water? At least he knows I'm safety. He's not running away from me. He's running towards me. Hi. This is gonna be upside down, you know that, right? Love you. Okay, so maybe he is a little nervous. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to get your eye. Where are we going? Yeah, that's me. Where are we going? Huh? It's just water. See, we're like, it is a beautiful day in San Diego. And I live, wait, wrong way. Nope, I had it right. I live over there. It's a beautiful cloudy day. I forgot my sunglasses. Yes, I did. Come on. Where are we going? Come on, Chip. Chip, Chip. Come on. Right here. Chip, Chip. Chippy, Chip. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm right here. Come on, Chip. I will check back with you guys in a bit. Okay, guardians. Chip legit just pancaked right here in the middle of the sand. What is that? You want to go see what Crash is up to? You're quite the confident piggy. Let me pet you. Yeah. Come on. Good boy, come on. Two little piggies at the beach. What's really strange is it's not Chip I have to worry about, it's Crash, because he tends to flinch. Keeps running away from me. So I have to be helicopter. You guys are just chilling. Oh my goodness. It's okay, Crash. The dog is gone, thankfully. We just have a couple kids who are digging sand, and I will not show their faces because internet. And if you guys can vaguely hear that. I told you I would not be taking them to the water. But they will. Oh, hi. But they will be on the sand. And the sharpest thing in here are shells, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye out. But for the most part, not bad. Oh. They're watching the waves. Oh my God. Oh my God, look, I'm gonna get down with them. They're watching the waves, you guys. Oh my God, how precious is that? No, don't move, Chip. It was perfect. Can I focus on these guys? There we go. Oh, look at that. So cute. Yeah, hi. Oh my God, how precious is this? What do you smell, Chip? I smell salty air. What do you smell? You were just smelling, and then you put your nose down as soon as I turned on the camera. What's going on? I'm right here. You can come to me. You guys dig the... Hi. Oh, it's okay, Chip. He's behind me. Hey, baby. Hey. You can't see him, but he's like snuggling up right next to me. Or right, you know. Oh, bless you. You guardians keep an eye on Crash while I kiss on Chip. While I kiss on you, huh? Chip's over here, behind the camera. What? He's chattering at me. What? That is the famous Coronado Bridge. And let me tell you, as a native San Diegan, it is ugly. But you're not. You're cute. You are so cute. Oh, okay, I'm sorry, Chip. He just nose butted me out of the way. Where are you going? And Crash is running away. Okay. Hi, Guardians. I forgot my friggin' sunglasses, but if you're wondering where Crash went, he went somewhere like that way next to my leg. Chip is here, and I'm blocking. Where are you? I can't. He's by my leg, and he's like chilling. But this one and I are having a good cuddle session, aren't we? And Crash is trying to dig under my leg. Come here. As long as I can feel him. Come in, I'm right here. No, he's trying to nose dig underneath, and this one is just... Hi. I love you. He is smelling something. so many textures in such a short period of time, right? Like it's been a month since we've gone anywhere. They know grass. Oh, sorry, too hard. Crash, come here. They know grass, they know sand. I love you. Sorry, I'm trying to get a hair. Where are you trying to go? Sir, Crash, come on. Up here. Come on. Here he comes. Good boy, come here. Come on. You can do it. Oh gosh, okay. Oh, excuse you, those are my chicken nuggets. Oh goodness, okay. And we're just chilling at the beach. Oh, bless you. Love yous. It's a beautiful day. It's 75. I can already see over in downtown San Diego, though. Oh, goodness. It is getting sunny over there. I can't believe I forgot my sunglasses. So if I look squinty, I'm not sorry. I'm just sorry I didn't bring my glasses because my eyes are gonna hurt. But I have a... Oh, thank you. Oh, God. Okay, okay. I have an armful of piggies. See, I'm so glad I only brought 2 and not Moose and Riot. Else this would be a disaster. And we've got pigeons attacking the playpen. Okay, oh. Okay, on that note, I will check back with you guys if they do anything exciting. Okay, Guardians. We were legit here for maybe 15 minutes, and already they are calling it quits. They have let me know Chip is ready, even though he's much more company. He keeps coming in and out. Hi, Chip. It's this one who really, and Chip is like nudging my butt. This one really wants to go home. I don't think it's wise to continue this anymore. If I had to guess though, Chip does not mind being out. He's just, when he gets nervous, he comes to me. But Crash here taps out after about 15 minutes. He's had enough. I know, honey, I know. Luckily he knows I'm safety, so that's a good thing, but if I had to guess, if I brought Chip here by himself, like, he'd be fine. See, he's gonna go back in. Yeah, they're letting me know it's time. And that's fine. 15 minutes is worth it to me. Let them experience something. You were pancaking under there. You do know you can go in there. I love you. All right, I'm gonna call it quits, guys. I did take a couple of pictures. So as always, life is good food, good company, and good sleep. Pawmaste. Wow. So I know you can't see what I just fed them, but they are trying jicama for the first time. Don't you do it, Riot. I know. And I would show Crash and Chip, but they got scared of the camera. Hi, I know, that's not the only thing I'm gonna feed you, I promise.